Today magluluto tayo ng spicy bulgogi rice bowl, a Korean-inspired dish na super dali at simpleng gawin pero perfect comfort food. Tender beef, fresh veggies, and that sweet, savory, spicy kick, siguradong mapapa-extra rice ka. Kahit konting portion lang, I prefer to use a wide pan para maraming space to stir fry the ingredients. Mag-init ng konting oil and then saute onions and garlic until fragrant. Gumamit ako dito ng zucchini, carrots, and cabbage, but feel free to use whatever mix of veggies you have on hand. Slice them thinly para mabilis maluto at stir fry ng mabilisan para malutong pa rin ang texture. Bumili ako ng 1 pound of shaved beef sa supermarket, but ang kalahati ay ginawa kong Philly cheesesteak sandwich para kay kamote. This rice bowl is the perfect recipe to extend ang maliit na portion of meat na naiwan into a complete meal. Sear the beef in the hot pan until it starts to brown and then season with rice vinegar, soy sauce, and a little salt. Balance the flavors with brown sugar and add sesame oil for aroma. Naglagay rin ako ng konting gochujang or Korean spicy sauce for a little kick. Toss all the ingredients together until everything is evenly coated in sauce. Continue stir frying until luto na ang beef at tender na ang mga gulay. Serve this spicy bulgogi beef with vegetables over steamed rice and garnish with green onions and toasted sesame seeds for a hearty, flavorful meal in one bowl. Enjoy!